Hello everyone, this is Mike with ShadowTrader. Well, today is Fed Day and the market is moving up fairly excitedly after the press conference. If this is going to be anything more than emotional reaction to the press conference, we'll see in the next day or so. I generally am not excited about doing too much, but looking forward after things settle down, I'm looking at a chart of Alibaba Group here. And for those who may not be already in this stock for any reason, there may be an opportunity to get long this stock as we move up out of here, if that were to take place. So it's an if, but it's something to watch, to put on a watch list. Here's a reminder that we have earnings on May 16th, which is two weeks away, and that might be, that's definitely something to be considered when taking this trade. The weekly support zone that runs through here has been topped off and respected 1, 2, 3 times really, and a fourth time. I consider these very wide. So let's go to a daily. And if this move, which we have now a failed attempt to go lower here and a failed attempt to go lower in a large value area in this box pattern. If this move that we see happening here right now, let's go to a 4-hour so we can see this clearly. If this bull flag is going to move, break out and continue to move up, this has actually been a nice break, a little bit of an opportunity for the auction to digest the move that it already has made, and then we might be able to get a move coming up out of here. An aggressive trader might take this at $77.50 possibly, or wait till we see a further breakout to the upside there with a stop down underneath there. But based on the weekly chart, going back to look at that before I sign off here, that once this breaks, there's the door's wide open for the next level of $87 or so. And that, I don't know how quickly that would happen, but that's not a bad looking chart. And if this takes place, if this breakout takes place, I think it could be a little bit of a money maker. So just wanted to throw that idea out there for you guys. And I'll certainly be watching this very closely.
Hi, my name is Mike with the ShadowTrader SquawkBox. I'd like to invite you to join me in the trading room where we study charts together, search out good trade ideas, and we spend quite a bit of time talking about what it takes to get along successfully in this journey that we are all on. Oh, by the way, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons below if you enjoyed this video today. And as we always say here at ShadowTrader, I wish you good trading, and I'll see you in the room.